Here's a question for you. If fungi are everywhere, in soil, air, and even on our skin, why do only some cause disease in animals? Unlike bacteria, fungi are eukaryotic organisms. They don't have chlorophyll. They can't make their own food. So, they absorb nutrients from their environment. And they're literally everywhere. But only a few species out of thousands are actually pathogenic. Most fungi live harmlessly as saprotrophic, breaking down dead organic matter. Some can infect skin or subcutaneous tissues, especially when the immune system is compromised. But the real danger? Systemic fungal infections. These are the big ones. Some are even region-specific and can turn fatal in animals. And unlike bacteria, fungi don't respond to most antibiotics. Treatment options: limited, and often toxic to the host. That's why accurate identification matters. That's why you, as a vet, need to know them. Let's rapid-fire a few key facts. Fungi are non-motile, spore-forming, and can reproduce sexually or asexually. They grow best at 22 to 30 degrees Celsius, but parasitic fungi prefer 30 to 37 degrees Celsius, the body temperature of animals. Most love an acidic pH, around 3.8 to 5.6. Some even grow in saltwater or extreme temperatures. And here's something cool. Some fungi are dimorphic. That means they grow as mycelia mold form in nature, but switch to yeast form inside animal tissues. This is called the YM shift. That is yeast to mold. It's a major virulence factor in systemic mycoses. So next time you see a lesion or a respiratory case that doesn't add up, think fungus. This is just the beginning. We're about to explore yeasts, dermatophytes, Aspergillosis, and more. In next video we will break down the classification of fungi. And don't worry about how to remember these things. We will make it simple enough, even if you want to forget you can't. Stay tuned.